Hustler Productions here. Today is the first part of how to make a web browser. Today we're going to be covering the simple controls and commands you'll find in every web browser you will download, whether that's Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Opera, you name it, they're all in there. And then as we move on in like the last few parts, we'll be making bookmarks, tabs, combo boxes. Combo boxes will probably come next tutorial because they're not too hard to make and program. So let's get started. You will need to make 6 buttons. The first one being back, the second one being forward, the third one being refresh, the fourth one being stop, the fifth one being home, and the sixth one being go. And you will also need one text box and insert one web browser. I'll just show you now. If you go into toolbox, if you just click all controls, all whatever they're called, all Windows forms, goes right at the bottom, it's a web browser. So let's get started. Double click the back button, and this coding is really easy. Web browser 1.go back, and again same for this one. Web browser 1.go forward. Web browser 1.refresh. Web browser 1.stop. Web browser 1. Am I on go home? Yep, I'm on go home. Go home. Should be alright. And then the go button. Few more words, but still very simple. Web browser 1.navigate, put in parentheses, text box 1.text. The reason why we're doing this is because the user will type in www.google.co.uk, but we don't just want we don't just want text box 1. We want the text out of that, which will be the Google, the YouTube, Yahoo, whatever website anybody goes to. We want to take that and we want web browser 1 to go to that web page. And that's the same with any button or link you press on a website. The web browser 1 will navigate to that. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I'll just debug it for you. So let's go gmail.com, if that's even a website, or maybe you have to go to Google. I'm not sure. Oh, the Gmail's come up, so let's go to home. In tutorial 2, I'll tell you how to make an option in your web browser for people to set their home page, because now once you click home, say Internet Explorer is your default browser, what it'll do, it'll go to the home of that browser. So if you understand what I mean. So we'll do that in tutorial 2. Sorry I stuttered there a bit, couldn't get my head around, I had a mental block. Anyway, so I'll refresh the page, stop, whatever, stop. If your internet's already fast, then I don't think there'll be any need for a stop button, but it's in case somebody's got like not the best of internets. They type in a thing and they think, oh this is going to take ages to load, and it's not even what I want to go to. So they just click stop and it'll go back to the web page that we're just on. So, and go, obviously. So that's it for this tutorial. See you in part 2, hopefully.